How to remove a Presto card from account. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can remove a Presto card from account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to basically remove a Presto card from account, all you have to do is just go to prestocard.ca and make sure that you're signed into your account, right? And once you're signed into your account, what you want to do is click the profile icon from the top right hand side of the screen here, and then just go to this option known as account. Once you go to this option known as account, you should be able to see various sorts of options, where right over here you will be able to see your card details, and if there is a certain card that you'd like to remove, you can simply go ahead and then remove it. If you want to add it, you can see the add a card button, and if you had added any sort of card, you would have been able to go ahead and then remove them accordingly as well. And this way you'll be able to go ahead and then basically remove a card from your Presto card account. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.